Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to always restore previous session tabs in Brave browser. By default, when you browse a few websites on your Brave browser and when you close the Brave browser and you reopen it, you find that a new tab opens automatically and previous opened tabs does not gets restored by default. In case you are visiting a few websites and when you close the browser and want to restore that previous session tabs automatically on Brave browser, you need to change the settings in Brave browser. For that, click on this one menu icon in the top right corner. In the drop down menu, you need to select this one settings option. Under Brave settings, select this one get started in the left sidebar. On the right, under get started section, you will find on a startup. Under on a startup, you need to select this one option, continue where you left off. After that, just leave this tab opened and open a few websites such as Google, Gear Up Windows, whatever you want, just open it. After opening it, just close the browser and reopen Brave browser. You will find that all the previous tabs are automatically opened on your Brave browser. That's all about this video. Bye.